How to activate Sadapay virtual card. Now this is going to be very straightforward and very easy to follow. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is just simply download Sadapay application via Google Play Store or any available app store that you have on your end. So this is what it should look like once your account has already been approved or activated. Now activating your virtual card is very easy. All I have to do is just to tap on the current card that you have used or a specific virtual card that you currently have a balance in. Now you will be having an option to activate your virtual card once everything is already been approved and ready to use. That's pretty much it. That is how you activate Sadapay virtual card.